to delete my other videos that I made. I was gonna actually post it because it's like Toca boca series, but it's gone now. So I'm sorry guys, but I'm just gonna tell you everything. So first, I did a morning routine, and then because it was their first day of work, and now that they're both the owner of this place, and yeah, and now they're working, and they had like a food rush and stuff, but they managed to calm everyone down, and now yeah, that's basically it. Basically. Here you go. And here you go. Thank you. And here you go. Thank you. Then they found a magical gem in the vent, and it was orange, and yeah, blah blah blah. Hmm? There's supposed to be something in here. Tell me in the comments if I'm supposed to put something in here, or is there supposed to be something? Because I don't know, because sometimes when I'm playing Toca boca, my internet is basically the definition of booty. Two loaves of bread. I don't know why you guys want just the loaf of bread, but there you go. Yo, but where's my sandwich? Um, Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yay, yay, yay. Yo, bro, where my sandwich at, bruh? Where my sandwich at? Okay. I have to do this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes, the teacher got out of jail, and she got some money left. It's the big back teacher. What is she doing here? What are you two doing? Kick her out. Whew. Nani ga suki? Doko ni tori no ni ha natta? done. Ugh, finally done. Let's take some snacks for ourselves. That is good. Oh, girl, they got candy. This is our store, so we get to eat food. And might even take the food. What? We need some food. So, grab it. Hurry up, girl. Grab it. Girl, I can only hold a little bit thing that runs. Girl, just grab a plate and grab it. Put the food on the plate. Girl, that's what I'm doing. Can't you see? Did you do it? Yes, I did it. Okay, let's hurry up. Put our stuff in the bag so that we can hold it. Come on, let's change. I'm done changing. Girl, hurry up and change. Girl, hurry up. There's going to be a hurricane. I'm just kidding. But then they realized there's going to be a hurricane. Girl, come on. There's going to be a hurricane soon. Okay. Let me just take this food. Oh my gosh. Girl, come on. I'm okay. I'm here. Oh, we have to go. There's a hurricane. We have to hurry up and get everyone's supplies. We already have supplies. Look, we got all of this stuff. Yep. Hey, you're actually right. We should actually take some food from this place. Remember, the owner said that we could take food. Because there's a hurricane. Coming. Oh no. Come on, grab it. Hurry. We have to hurry up, stock up, and get home. Quickly. I'm getting some tofu real quick. Girl, do you need tofu? Yes, I need tofu, okay? I need the tofu. Okay, you don't understand how important tofu is. Okay, we're gonna need some milk that you don't have to refrigerate, of course, and some snacks. Girl, I don't think we need sugar. Okay, fine, we don't need sugar. We need food, okay? We have to hurry up before the storm hits. Oh. Girl, are you seriously eating? Girl, I'm hungry, okay? Oh my gosh. Okay, just hurry up and eat. Okay, we're ready. who's gonna hold this egg? I got it. Okay, let's go now. Okay, you're mean, girl. Just. I hope everyone is okay though. I hope the food's okay. I hope the food's okay. And I hope your food is okay. Cow. What? I'm hungry. Oh my gosh. Oh, anyways. Just squeeze me. Girl, we have to hurry up and stock up on food, okay? Okay, chill. Chill, girl, chill. We already have enough food at the house. Just wait. Just you wait, and you're gonna see. Hurry up, call him. Pretend that she ate her food. What the? What? Gosh, oh my gosh. Hello? Yeah. Just pretend that she has a phone, okay? Hello? Yes. Hurry! I really need to hurry up and get home. I already. Okay. Yes, we're here. Could I take this pie? Yeah, sure. Take it. I don't mind. Okay. We got some things to prepare for the storm, but I don't know if it's gonna be enough. Because it's not gonna be enough. That's all you got? This storm is literally super duper strong. You're gonna have to. It's super duper strong. So. You're gonna have to stock up a lot. Yes, we will. We will stock up so yes, we're gonna stock up. Okay, bye. What's happening? What is okay, so there's a hurricane, so and me, all of us are going to go shopping to see if we can find any food so that we can prepare for the storm that's gonna hit. I already got some things here. I got some snacks, got some milk, got some stuff. I got some milk since I got some snacks and stuff, tofu. They said that the power is gonna go out, but our fridge will be just fine. Okay, so I got some lamps. Oh, and here, you get like this awesome, real shiny diamond. It can even glow in the dark, okay? That's actually good. So, we have to hurry. Yeah, hurry. We have to hurry up before the storm comes and hits us, okay? So, I'm scared. Oh. What? A storm? I'm scared. It's okay, okay? It's okay. We're gonna be safe, okay? Okay. Come on, put this stuff down. Come on. Let's put all of our stuff on this table so that we have enough arms, basically. Okay. So I called some people just in case we didn't have enough things. So yeah, come on. We have to hurry up. Wait. Look at this. Emergency. Everyone, please stock up as they're dun 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 dun. Pretend this is the news people. Pretend these are the news people. Hello, everyone. Please hurry and stock up. There is a massive hurricane coming soon, and we don't want anyone that lives here in Toca Boca to get hurt. Please hurry and stock up. Peace. Dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh, we have to hurry up, okay? We have to hurry and go, okay? Come on. Okay, so our friends are gonna have to stay with us because, our friends, we're gonna have a sleepover, okay? So that no one is scared all alone, okay? Okay? Okay. We're gonna check out Robo, okay? We're gonna get some ice cream, some snacks, some just any kind of food that we can get, okay? Okay? Because I don't want any of you guys getting hurt. So yeah. Okay. We can take turns. Okay. Hey, we can get these. So that we can get these. It's perfect. So that we won't be bored. Okay. Okay. Where are they? Where are they? Hey, Dad, hold this. Hey, sis, could you hold this? Yeah, sure. Oh, can I call you should I call you adopted sister or because I don't know you already? Oh, just call me Lay. Okay, I'll hold it for you, Lay. I'll hold these. Oh my gosh, thank you girls so much. I appreciate it. Don't worry, girl. And also, don't worry. Just know that we're gonna be coming at your house because we're too scared. We're just too scared, okay? Okay, girl, that's fine. That's fine with me. Okay, that's fine. I also would I also would like you to come. Okay. Whew. We have to get everything and we should be fine. Oh, so much boba, which is perfect. Another one. Perfect. We need a lot. Some boba, of course. Where are those people? They said they would be coming to help. We're here. Don't worry. Yeah, we're here. Yeah, we're here. Don't worry. Finally. Come on, hurry. Wait, you guys are also safe, right? Because I cannot lose you guys. I cannot afford to lose you guys. Okay. I don't want to lose them just like mine. I don't want to lose them just like my parents. It's okay. We're gonna be fine, okay? You don't have to worry about anything. Yeah, I don't have to worry. You guys are gonna be just fine. Just fine. Just fine. Gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Gonna be alright. All right. Wait, why is she helping? She was super rude to me. Oh, don't worry. We forced her to help you. You guys. What does that do, guys? What does this do? I just click on this heart and I don't know what it does. What does it do? Okay, anyways. Okay. I think we're ready. No, we're not ready. We're not ready. Oh yeah, we're not ready. We still need more food. Because there's gonna be another hurricane tomorrow. And it's gonna start straight in the morning. It's gonna start in the afternoon. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna be fine. Okay? We're gonna be just fine. We're just gonna have to move all of these items, all of the other items over here. Because we're gonna have to put important items there, okay? We don't have to be scared because we're gonna be just fine, okay? We're gonna be fine. But Mom and Dad, we gonna be fine, okay? If Mom and Dad didn't make it, then we will make it, okay? Okay. Good. So I'm not so scared anymore. Okay? Okay. Good. Now we're gonna be fine, okay? Everything is gonna be just alright.
The only thing is if we actually succeeded our place.
Okay? Okay. I'm just scared. It's so bad what happened. And it just feels like, and it just makes me feel like my stomach. I can't explain. Yeah, remember what I said. We're gonna be all fine, okay? We are gonna be fine, girl. Okay? We're gonna make it out alive. Okay? I pinky promise. Okay. I guess. Promise. Okay. Okay. I guess. I'm here. I'm here. And I brought my sister. Oh. Hi. Oh, I remember you. You're the girl that I danced with when we were at our concert. Yeah. I just had to come when there was a hurricane. She kinda forced me to come here, but because she was super worried about you guys, but yeah. Hey, we just came here to check on you guys. We're not, like, staying here, but just came to check on you. Oh, you guys okay? Okay, bye. See, we're gonna be all fine. Okay, we're gonna be just fine. Okay, I guess we will be fine since you made a pinky promise. Good, because we will be just fine, okay? fine. Right? But I need you to stay strong. Alright? Thanks. You're very strong. And I know that you are a very strong girl. A very strong little girl or girl. I'm not little anymore. And I know that you are a very strong girl. She's right, actually. You don't have to be scared of anything. We're gonna be just fine. Okay? We're gonna be just fine and fine and fine, okay? You just need to stop worrying a little bit. Because you're worrying way too much. Okay? Why is there... Don't ask. Also, my dad came over here to check you guys. Okay, are you guys gonna be all fine on your own? Yes, sir. Okay, that's good. Look, they even got... We even got some games. You don't have to worry, and we got friends with us also. Okay? Okay. Now, just pretend that it's evening, okay? Pretend it's evening. Okay, it's evening, guys. All the lights are on. They're still on. That's good. Maybe they were just joking about there being a hurricane. Oh my gosh, why did the sky just turn super dark? What? Huh, it got a little bit darker. Oh my gosh, why is it dark? It's so dark. It's super dark. Okay, we just have to turn. We just have to open the blinds a little. We still have electricity because our lights are still on and... What do we do? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared, 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 I'm so scared. What are we gonna do? 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 Okay, I can just open the blinds. I can't open the blinds. Okay, everyone, does everyone have their lights? You guys have lights? We don't have any. Here, you can use our phone lights. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Everyone calm down. We're gonna be fine. Okay? We're all gonna be fine. We just have to. We just have to stay together. We're also going to need some space. So, you guys are gonna stay. We're gonna get the little kids inside the kitchen. We're gonna get the little kids inside the kitchen. Okay? Get the little kids inside the kitchen. Okay, here's some lights. Here's light. You guys have light? You guys have light and food inside the fridge. And some food inside the fridge just for you guys. Oh, and us. And you guys can... Hold on. I'm back. Okay. And you have lights, so there's nothing to worry about. And then we will stay in here. Little kids there. Where's your... And you have that. And you guys can, like, watch some show together. And we will stay in here. And we can, like, play with some games and stuff. Okay, so we're all going to be fine. Okay? Oof. Oh my gosh, someone's calling. Someone's calling me. Oh, it's your big sister. Hey. Okay, guys, you guys don't have any internet. So, just so you know. So the storm hasn't hit yet. Woo! Storm's not here, but it will hit very soon if you don't get some toys, because you might not have any internet. We don't know yet, but you might not have any internet, and you cannot use your phone, even if you have internet, because it might explode. So yeah. Anyways, bye. So keep everything off so that it doesn't explode. And yeah. Why? Now we can't even use internet. Hey, it's okay. We have to hurry up and stock up on toys right now. Yep. Okay. We already got these. So let's Hurry. Everyone, come on. Everyone come in a straight line. Okay? In a straight line. And let's go. Quickly. Driving all the way to the toy store. Oh. Why is she? Why is he? Why is he? Why is he old? Oh my gosh, that's one big forehead though. You guys are gonna have to stay away from that area, okay? It's dangerous. Okay. We'll try to block it. We'll block it. We have some items and we accidentally dropped it a lot of times, but they still didn't break. Pretend that they moved this whole entire thing all the way over here. And then pretend that they moved a lot of other stuff all the way over here. Bye-bye. Bye. Hope you guys are safe. We will be. Bye. 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 I wonder when my parents will come back. I miss mommy and daddy. Hey kiddo, we're back. Yeah, we're back. Did you block the place? Good job. We're gonna be just fine, okay? All of us is gonna be fine. And also, our new pet store is also gonna be fine. Just because we live here, and because we live here, and we're gonna be safe when we live here, okay? Okay. Oh, that's a good boy. Okay. Don't be sad. We're gonna be all fine. I promise. Okay. I guess. I already have so many toys. Yeah, that's for sure. Yep. We know. We know. Okay, we're finally back. And let's. Yo, bro, I just checked my phone. It said that the storm is starting in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds? Well, let's get everybody inside. Hurry. 10, 9, 8. Hold on, I'm here too. 7. Wait. Hold on. Are we missing somebody? Let me see. 6, 5, When there's rain, there's thunder. Whoa, let's check outside to see how it's going. Pretend there's rain. Whoa, that's a lot of rain. That's a lot of rain. Jeez. Look. So much rain. So yeah, really is a lot of rain. It's a lot. Well, why are we opening it? Close the curtains. Okay, we closed it. Okay, remember? Little kids, which means you guys. Actually, there's gonna be internet. You can actually, there is internet. There's gonna be internet, and you can use your phone. I was just joking. They can't explode. That's good. Oh, and you can also use any electronic. I'm not lying. You can use any electronic. Okay, well, I'm out. Yeah, that means we can watch our shows, right? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. So we're still gonna keep these toys, right? Yeah, duh. Why wouldn't we? We just spent lots of money for these. So of course we're gonna keep him. Okay, that's good. Yo, someone wanna watch me play? Yeah. I watch. Girl, we have to see you play this game. Ooh, come on. You guys can actually watch me. Really? Yeah. Let's go. We can watch her. We can watch her. We can watch her. Whoa, we can actually watch. Whoa, whoa. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, I'm crossing a tightrope. You look so funny. Oh yeah, let me see. Whoa, so cool. Whoa. Now that it's just us, I guess. So, now that it's just the four of us, shall we? Okay. Wait, hold on. They said to put on headphones for the best experience. Let's see. This is the best experience. It's so much better. This is awesome. Y'all want to watch some show together? Or what? Girl, are you serious right now? Of course we want to watch some show, girl. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about. Come on. I'll just watch show on my own. Could I use your computer? Yeah, sure. Why do you like being alone so much? Yeah, what's the problem? I actually really like being alone. I don't know, but people keep forcing me to be with people. But I just like being alone. Don't have any dark story or something? Okay, you don't. No, I don't have any dark story or anything. Just kind of like being alone. Okay, I'm just kidding. Fine, I'll come. Hey, hold the light. Hold this. Wait, can I turn this thing on? Something? This is so awesome. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Bro, look at this. Look at this. So funny. Lol. Why are we drinking kid stuff? Remember? Ah. That is delicious. Look, we get to eat the ice now. Eee. We literally have bobas. Yeah, why aren't we drinking it then? We should drink it now. Yes. Mine. Girl. Mine. I love the red ones, okay? They're my favorites. I'll take this purple one then, I guess. Lol. Finally the girl's laughing. Ugh. Shush. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this Toca Boca video. It means a lot to me. And the videos I had to delete. But it means a lot to me. So, bye guys.